Welcome, I'm the Word Nerd. In this video, we're going to check out this really cool Happy Planner bundle that they have online. I think it's an excellent deal if you're looking to get a Happy Planner, whether it's for Bible study or just for planning your life or whatever the case may be. I think this is one of the best ways to do it because you get this cool tote with it, and then you get all of the stuff inside. And I think they have two different options. This is more like the nude version, so the nudes, browns and things like that. So you get a couple two different packs of rings. So one is metal and then the other one is plastic. So those are really cool. You get bookmarks for your Happy Planner. One is for like today, one is for like the month, and then I think there's another one for like your week, I think. No, one is notes, yeah. And so those are really cool. It's really nice to have those so you can flip back and forth to your monthly and your daily or your weekly. Really nice things that come with that. So there is even more in here. It's really, really cool. So then we got some stickers. I absolutely love stickers, and they come with quite a bit of stickers. This one is a really nice pack. So this has 279 stickers in it. I really love these stickers. They're super cute. And it just feels like me with the coffee and the books and just the little, they're so cute. And then they also come with these clear stickers, and these are floral clear stickers. They have this black piece of paper in it, so you can kind of like see them, and they're like silver. But then you can see like the rest of them, they're just clear stickers. So those are really nice. I really like clear stickers. There's a lot of different options you can do with those. So then I think we get into this. Has a couple of things in it. It has number one, it has the big folder, I guess you could say. It's like a little pocket thing, and then some sticky notes that just clips into your Happy Planner. And it also has another bookmark. It has a little thing of stickers, and then of course that little pocket. So those are really nice to have in your Happy Planner, so you can have it also comes with lined paper, but also almost like a to-do list because it has a little circle right there on the side too. This comes with black paper too, so it's really nice if you are a gel pen fan. That's really cute, I think, really awesome. It's just plain black paper, but that is really nice to have some doodling options. Then you have this gigantic pack of stickers, 990 stickers, that has all kinds of like habit trackers in it, to do lists, your mood, and then just some awesome sayings and cute stickers for everything. They have different options with like colors and like gold foil and silver, and all. They're so good. They're just so cuteness. You can't even. I think this deal is amazing. It'll be linked in the description, obviously, to the Happy Planner deal that this is, and it's just like the best deal. It's an online only deal, so you're only gonna find this online. Then we have these weekly extra weekly things, so it's like 1 week on one page, and so I really like that. It also has like the little circles for you to go ahead and just like write your to-dos, and then it has like grid paper on the back. These are really, I think those are really cute. This is a extended pack, so this is an extra 6 months of basically the calendar and then weeklies. So you have a 6 months extra pack as well. So this Happy Planner will last you 18 months because you get a blank 12-month happy planner, and then you get an extra 12 pack. And all of it goes together. It's like all the colors are good. This is really cool. I didn't know that it came with this. This is like a little, I don't think it's leather. I think it's like faux leather, but it's like this ginormous pouch. You can put everything else in that you use with your happy planner, and just carry your happy planner in this awesome pouch with you. I really like this pouch. It's really nice. And then you have the 12-month blank happy planner. Trying to get this open was a struggle. But I really enjoy these colors. That's why I chose like the neutrals color palette that they had. They have like another one. I think it's more of a vibrant colors. I can't remember, but I really enjoyed the neutrals. Like I bought this off of, like, it was just a whim buy, and I think it's like one of the best deals if you are into happy planners. This punch didn't come with it, but I do have the punch. I bought it years and years ago, so I can add things, you know, to the happy planner pretty easily. So if you are interested in adding things, you might want to, you know, get the punch as well, but it's not necessarily needed with everything that's in here. You have extra paper, you have, you know, the black paper as well, and there's so much things. I think you'll be fine without it. So it just comes, it's a blank 12-month happy planner, and then you have the month, and then you have the weeklies. You have stickers for the tabs, and so it's vertical weeks. So yeah, it's a really nice happy planner. Like I said, I really bought it for the color palette. I really like the color palette, and also it's just the best deal that they have, especially if you're wanting to get into happy planners or maybe a gift or something like that. I think it's awesome. It's really cute. So I think you can use these for planning your life. You can use these for prayer and Bible study as well. So I think it's like not just for planning. I think you can definitely use it for prayer and Bible study. I've seen that a lot. So I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's really cool. So I just wanted to show you. So hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, God loves you, and He's always with you. Bye!